The first step to heat apply CAD-PRINTZ Texture Twill is to load your garment onto the heat press, ensuring that the printing area is completely flat. At that point, I'm ready to set up my temperature, my time, and my pressure. CAD-PRINTZ Texture Twill takes 300 degrees of heat for 20 seconds. I'm also programming a preheat to help remove the moisture and the wrinkles from my garments. Since I am decorating fleece, I'm going to preheat for a little longer because it tends to hold a lot of moisture in it. At this point, I'm ready to set up my pressure. This application requires a medium pressure. That is a 4, 5, or 6 on my Hotronics control board. The pressure adjustment is over the center, so I can increase the pressure or decrease the pressure, and then lock my machine down to get a digital readout. In this case, I'm all the way up at an 8, which is a firm pressure. So I definitely want to decrease the pressure to get it more into that 4, 5, or 6 range for this application. Now I'm at a 4, that's perfect. In the process of setting my pressure, I've completed that 5-second preheat to get the moisture out of the garment and get my printing surface completely flat. At this point, your CAD-PRINTZ Texture Twill will come with a couple pieces. First, I want to remove the transfer from the backing to expose the adhesive. This goes in the garbage. I'm going to position my design into place. Make sure I have it aligned properly. And as you'll see here, this particular transfer has a mask on it. Some of your CAD-PRINTZ Texture Twill transfers will come with that mask. The reason this one does is because there are individual pieces and elements of the design. We don't want you to have to place those individually. However, if it was one solid piece like a patch or a badge, then you'll want to make sure that you use this cover sheet directly over top of the design because it won't have the mask layer in between, okay? So I wanted to show you this cover sheet. It goes with a glossy side down if the mask is not present on your transfer. It's best to always use a large cover sheet like craft paper over everything to protect it. And now we're ready to lock the press down. 300 degrees, 20 seconds at that medium pressure. Once the application is complete, you're ready to remove the backing from the print. I recommend letting it cool down just for about 5 seconds and then grab the corner of the backing and remove it from your transfer to reveal the completed result. It's a highly durable finish.